Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to track your order from Dollar Tree. Open the website at dollartree.com, then click on Account. On the pop-up window, enter your email address and password. Then click Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon. Then a pop-up window will appear. There, you will see an option for Order History. Click on Order History. At the left side menu of this page, you will see an option for Track Orders. Click on Track Orders. Now on the pop-up window, enter the order number, billing zip code, and billing last name. Once entered, click on the Track Order button. That's how you track your order from Dollar Tree. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.